What you got? What is that? What is that? You got some paper? Oh, cover up the dinosaurs. Wow, look at that. Where'd they go? There they are. Is that some cool paper you got? Wow. Oh, there it's ripping. We'll cover up the dinosaurs again. Say, see you later, dinosaurs. Where'd the dinosaurs go? Now it's time to rip it up into little shreds. What's that? Thank you. Hey, what you got? Wrapping your dinosaurs up? Don't mess with me. I got my fancy paper right now. Hey, where'd you go? Is that the fancy paper dance? Oh. Whoa, sorry. I'm sorry. Got in the way. Okay. So there'll probably just be more of this running back and forth, and eventually there'll be a shredding of the paper, I'm sure. Like now. Wow. Thank you. Dinosaurs not allowed to be around your paper? Okay, see you later.